Worried why you don't have a mask in this pandemic? Don't know where to buy it? Or are they scarce in your locality? You have the solution at home. It only takes a little ingenuity to have one available. Welcome to my Nature and Health channel. Today we will discuss a special topic that interests you. How to make a mask at home for coronavirus, or how to make a coronavirus face mask at home. Please, to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive more information. Now I am going to show you how to easily make a mask at home and feel all the benefits it brings to your health and well-being. Knowing how to make a homemade virus protection mask can be very helpful to us, as coronavirus events appear these days. Remember that good hand washing can help reduce coronavirus infections. We can make a protective mask with traditional materials and homemade materials. But first, let's talk about the WHO recommendations on when and how to wear a mask. We recommend using a mask. If you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask if you are caring for someone suspected of having the 2019 nCoV infection. Also wear a mask if you have a cough or sneeze. Masks are only effective if combined with frequent hand washing with a hydroalcoholic solution or soap and water. If you need to wear a mask, learn how to wear and remove it properly. If we are going to be away from home for a long time and we probably have contact with something or someone and we have nowhere to go to wash our hands, it is recommended to use a soapy gel. Before putting on a mask, wash your hands with an alcohol-based disinfectant or soap and water. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask and make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. To remove the mask, remove it from behind, do not touch the front of the mask, discard immediately in a closed container, and wash your hands with soap and water. Among the methods we found online, we will present 3 that are extremely easy to do with the resources we have at home. Method number 1. Use of kitchen paper. 2 elastic bands and stapler. Use 2 sheets of kitchen paper, tie them together, and then fold about an inch. We make the first fold on one side, then flip it over and do another fold and so on until we finish on the other side from where we started. Now we have all the folds. Then we use the elastic bands, placing one on each end. And now we staple. Then we open the folds and shape it into a mask that allows us to use it to help prevent the spread of the virus. Note, it is recommended that this mask be tight enough to fulfill its function. Method number 2. Using the filter paper for café. In addition, you need a stapler and 2 elastic bands or also glue and elastic tape. The first thing to do is flip the filter and it already has a mask shape. Then we can glue the elastic tape that must have a length according to the size of the head. Approximately 8 inches. Or you can also staple the elastic bands together and you already have a mask to wear. If you want a tighter mask, you can staple it 1 inch from the filter gasket, then flip the filter over and attach the elastic tape. You already have the mask. Note, it is recommended not to cut the filter because this way it loses its function. Method number 3. Use of napkins of the Kleenex type. Here we also use a stapler, elastic tape and glue. We are going to use 2 napkins, we extend them and we unite them and then we begin to fold them diagonally inwards in the opposite corners. Then we form the folds in and out. Then fix the pleats by stapling. We put the elastic rubber tape or elastic tape on one end, we fold the paper to fix it and staple it. The same is done at the other end and we already have the mask ready to use. For the benefit and comfort of your family, pay attention to the recommendations given by the WHO and the health authorities. You are an amazing person. Wow! You came to the very end of this video. Can you do us a favor and subscribe and activate the bell at the very least? It would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it's possible, like, share and comment. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.